Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. For this spread, I will be using the Good Life March bundle, which is available at Pixel Scrapper. And I'm just starting here, putting in a couple pocket cards, and then I will start putting in my papers behind. The colors from this bundle match surprisingly well with my photos from this week. There are lots of blues, and I feel like there are some yellows, although I guess I don't know exactly where the yellows are, but they do seem to kind of be there, and they look quite nice with the colors from this bundle. So as always, I'm starting here getting my papers placed, and I often like to repeat the papers on both sides of the spread in slightly different places to kind of add to the continuity between the pages. And then once I get my papers placed in a way that I like, I will start adding in my elements. So I will leave you to watch this video with a little music. If you have any questions about my process, please leave them below. And if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.